What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be trying this Hungry Man microwave meal. It's got 34 grams of protein, 26 grams of fat, 92 gram. Oh my goodness, 92 grams of carbohydrates. Jeez. Well, in case it is terrible, I got a glass of milk here. But here's the food. It doesn't smell that bad, but I ate the brownie earlier. The brownie doesn't smell that bad at all. It actually smells like a brownie, but it just had no flavor. So I figure I would just eat the rest of it and see if anything actually tastes the way it looks. And honestly, I don't think I can flip it. There. Down there, I'm pretty sure that's like school style or like school quality, like frozen beef. It said it's a rib shaped pork patty, so it's probably not even real pork, but figure I'd give it a try. So comes barbecue sauce, so I'll give it a try. It actually tastes pretty good. I was not expecting that. That's pretty good. For a frozen meal. Disgusting, whatever. I'm giving it a try. Here's a chicken right here. Yeah, it is chicken. That doesn't taste like chicken. It doesn't taste like chicken, but it's not bad. I'm gonna try the mashed potatoes next. I'm stirring the corn. Here's the mashed potatoes next. I'm not sure about this. It looks like a pile of dandruff. Oh. It's hot and it's really foamy, but it tastes like mashed potatoes. So that's a plus. It's just hot. Then lastly, the corn. I think I should get some salt and pepper for this, but that's pretty good. That's actual corn, well, obviously, but it's pretty good for, I think it was like $2-3. So pretty good. I recommend it. Here's what the box looks like again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Catch you later.